If a woman can give a man this feeling, he will regard you as the only unconditional favor. Because this is the immediate needs of men's emotions, all men pursue this feeling when they fall in love. He doesn't need you to say that he loves him every day. He only needs these 3 feelings. So if you can balance these feelings, this man will talk more and more inseparable. Okay, what is this feeling? First, fall in love. A woman who can make a man feel that she is in love, she must not be 100% obedient. She has to be a little bit temperamental, have her own thoughts and opinions, and dare to go against men in some things. Such a relationship will bring men a desire to conquer. But pay attention. The temper here is not to make you look at your face or be furious, but to dare to break the rules and not be defined. For example, if you dare to take the initiative to end the topic, you will not stick to him from morning to night like other women. The chat is also polite, and even for a day or 2, you are busy with your own affairs and put it on hold. This kind of behavior will convey that you are not afraid of losing him, and men will feel that talking to you is a challenge and fun, but only if you are really busy with things, your own life is full. You will not fall in love. Just put love first. At this time, your relationship will be very tense. There is a rule in intimacy. The more you dare to take the initiative to end the topic, the more willing the other party is to take the initiative to start the topic. On the contrary, every time you have the opportunity, you can't wait to talk to him for the rest of your life. He will find it boring and feel that you are completely in control. So no matter how much you love him, you don't have to talk too much. Learn to leave blank feelings and create freshness for him. Or you dare to stick to your own opinions. For example, you think it's enough for you to see each other twice a week, but he feels that you have to see each other every day, and you can meet his needs every day. At this time, you have to stick to your own principles and you have to let him see the benefits. For example, you will go to the gym to dance on weekdays and then you will see him on weekends. If you think you are the best in this state, then you have to stick to this decision. At this time, it will become him to start to enter your rhythm. If he wants to meet his needs, he must respect your rhythm. At this time, he will feel that the relationship has always collided and there has always been a sense of love, rather than losing taste after being satisfied blindly. If you still want to learn more, or you have a complex case and don't know how to deal with it, you can also be my student and learn from me and join my program. If a woman wants to be emotionally free, she must really add a little skill.